In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a BC547 transistor as a switch with Arduino. Yeah, so assuming we have a bigger load and we want to limit the current that we are picking away from the Arduino Uno. So we can do that using a transistor. So it's the base that is connected to the pin that we want to turn high or low. Okay, so this is the base through a 1K ohm resistor, and then the emitter is connected to the ground of the Arduino, and the collector is connected to the negative of the load, and the positive of the load, which is the anode, is connected to the positive of our power supply, and then the negative of the power supply is connected to the ground of Arduino. That is the code. Thank you.